Today we're going to Vancouver Island and we're leaving Ricardo and Renata. So we didn't sticker it, of course, but we leave a sticker of Miles on Motors was here.
BMW.
Put it on the other side, then it'll stop it from going that way. Because when it's rocking, it's going to flip there. It's not going to come back this way.
Oh, is that right?
Yeah. You stick it right under your frame here.
I got the extension there. I got the exhaust there.
Oh, that's the exhaust. I thought that was the frame.
So I got them here in the skid plate.
Yeah.
I don't know.
Today we go to
Victoria. Vancouver Island.
Yeah, Vancouver Island, that was what I was looking for. Vancouver Island, and we go by ferry. It's now 10 a.m.
It is.
And we put the bikes on the ferry, and we only entered like 10 minutes ago in the harbor. But from Norway and Denmark and even Romania, Bulgaria, whatever, we're used that you can put the bikes on the floor, on the hooks in the floor.
Yeah.
But you see what they do here? Oh, mine has nothing, just the stand, and here's a car. But Eric's has like a block, but you know,
it doesn't make any sense, you know, because
it doesn't work, right? So this guy has two, but what's it gonna do? It's gonna move when it's falling, right?
Yep.
But okay.
Okay, we see what it brings.
We see what it brings. It's only 1.5 hours, and it's supposed.
We call our insurance, okay?
Yeah. It's supposed to be not a really wild fair, so. We're on Vancouver Island now, and we're trying to get to Malahat. There's a campground there, but there's been an accident on the highway, so now we take another ferry. Hey, Erik?
That's what we're gonna do. We take another ferry. I'm just looking at my GPS, how to drive, but you are the one to get the directions, right?
Ferry number 2. We made some new friends. And we had to wait for a while because the ferry personnel was on a break. But we're going to get to the other side now. There's been a big accident on the highway. So
very big.
highway is closed. They said there's 2 hours delay now.
Oh, maybe more, I don't know.
And we had to wait for an hour on this ferry. But we are here. And if we get to the campsite, we're going to swim.
We're gonna
It's quite
in
hot.
water.
Yeah.
I'm thinking to make a dive right now.
Hey, what happened?
Okay, guys, you guys are on your way. I appreciate your patience.
Hi.
Hello.
You just been on the coming from the ferry?
Yeah.
Yes.
Coming, how's the traffic? It's pretty bad.
Oh, it is
Well,
bad.
we've got a different ferry also because you can't go through Victoria down.
Yeah.
So we took the small ferry also.
Oh, okay.
But
Still, the traffic out here, and you can't get out of here.
no.
My buddies are in Victoria, and I just text them and say, because I've been. I
Oh,
was
is that
in a-
right? Because it was this morning an accident that it takes hours now.
Yeah.
Well, if you're going along the highway, what we want to do, there's a 2 hours delay or something?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well,
and
they
this-
say 2 hours, but I think it's more.
Well, I was an hour and a half
Oh.
in Victoria. And once you get on it, they're really out.
Yeah, there's...
Where are you guys from?
Oh, we are from the Netherlands. We're starting in PEI, Prince Edward Island.
Oh.
So we drove to Homer, Alaska, and now we're on our way back. Well, on our way back.
Are
we
these
take-
your did you buy these bikes here? Did
Yeah,
you
no,
ship them
I
out?
buy them here. We buy them here. So,
But we're-
you guys, what's that lady that has that YouTube channel
Yeah.
in the Netherlands?
Itchy boots.
It's she boots. You know her, don't Ali?
I don't know her. I just, you know,
That's a
anybody
nice lady.
who does touring on a motorcycle knows her. So.
Yeah. morning.
Here we are back on the track, and we are right now in Victoria, British Columbia, Canada. And we are now on the capital city of BC. And behind us you can see Parliament building. Nadie, how are you today?
Well, that's crazy, right? Because Victoria is the little point on Vancouver Island, but British Columbia is very, very big.
So it's huge, right? Well, everything is huge.
And then
also,
here on the point, there's the capital, and you have to reach it by boat. Well, we are here now, and here is also the inner harbor. We'll
Yep.
show you. It's beautiful weather.
Yeah.
Summer. It feels like we are on holiday. Queen Victoria. This knowledge totem is carved by artists of the Cowichan tribe, and the loon, fisherman, bone game player and the frog represent lessons learned from the past and hope for the future. Eric, is that a big band?
It is. Here in Victoria, BC, you hear the sound of Big Ben.
Hello!
Eric and Eddie on the beach.
So we wanted to go to a beach, and we've heard a lot about Parksville Beach, but from Victoria that's still almost 2 hours driving, and it's really warm today. But we went to Willows Beach, it's here at Victoria, and it's very quiet here. I think it's more like a local spot. But we tried to go swimming, and
There was a sea lion.
we thought like, what's that? Because we both didn't have our glasses, but very close to us was
Oh,
a
yeah.
sea lion,
Sea lion?
and it's very cold here.
Oh yeah.
The sea is the coldest we felt.
We're
till
now waiting for a polar bear.
Yeah. So we can't swim, but we're just walking on the beach now.
Yeah.
This is Clover Point, and sometimes people see whales here from the land. You have the most chance if you go by boat or sometimes helicopter. But we wanted to try because we didn't see them yet, but this is the nicest point to do that. Here in Victoria is mile 0 of the Trans-Canadian Highway. Behind us is the ocean, and in front of us is the Trans-Canadian Highway. And you see, all the geese gather here to celebrate Canada, and there you also see a statue of Terry Fox. We saw the statue of Terry Fox in Thunder Bay, but mile 0 in Victoria was the goal, so that he could raise money and awareness to cancer. But in Thunder Bay, the cancer appeared in his lungs and he died there. But here at the end of his road, they also put a statue for him. The next day, we found a great spot to edit our videos in the Library of Victoria. So, we really hope you liked this video, and in the next one, we'll take you back to the Rocky Mountains. See ya on the road to adventure.